Good morning. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduction myself. My name is Basanti Sunar. I am 35 years old. I am from Kathmandu, Nepal. I am married. My education is 10 pass. My height is 5 feet 3 inch and weight is 70 kg. I have 2 years of work experience as a warehouse in Nepal. Job and duty of warehouse in to receiving good, store management, storage, organization, order keeping and packing, skipping and dispatching, matter handling, good quality control, safety record keeping, etc. I want to come to any European country for better future, also to develop my career on money to support my family. I am hardworking and honest person. Thank you. Thank you.